Today we were having our first Digital Ag Research Showcase. Digital Ag is one of the main initiatives that we start moving forward as a part of our collaboration and support from K-State Global Food Systems. So the main idea of this project and grant was trying to integrate faculty from different colleges and departments and start collaborating. Integration happens in multiple sides of this collaboration, from the research standpoint, the education and the extension side. So here we are in our first research showcase. We are showcasing technologies. Today we just focus on drones. And it's important that we start discussing about how we are planning to train our future generations and thinkers. Agronomy needs of integration. We are collecting data from multiple sources. We have systematic equipments, machine, drones, planters, but we really need more support and more integration coming from data science, statisticians, computer science from the machine vision side, looking at GIS and geography and geospatial, trying to understand this spatial and temporal component of the data, and start thinking about collaborations with entomology, plant pathology, horticulture, brainstorming ideas to put the entire food systems together.
I love seeing all the students here, and you really start thinking about the future workforce within digital agriculture. It's not people like me, it's those graduate students, those undergraduates that are getting trained in digital analytics, and it's going to be really complex problems. We might look at just entomology and say, yep, that's a certain kind of aphid, but where was that aphid found? We need to put a GPS location to that. We need to get geography involved. If we're going to do it, we're going to include a drone.
We're going to be flying a visible true color camera, a broadband modified color infrared camera. We'll be flying a multispectral, which has narrow band, but a lot of different wavelengths.
We need to get some technology involved. We need to get Salina campus involved. So this really becomes an interdisciplinary experience. And to see students here has been super exciting, because this is the future. How do we take all these different complex layers of data, put them into one place to make informed decisions? And the future workforce needs to know how to engage in different kinds of environments, with different kinds of people, with different kinds of backgrounds, with different kinds of expertise. I'm super excited that K-State is leading the way.